Are you passionate about sustainability, energy efficiency? Introducing the ProQual Level 2 Award in Understanding Carbon Awareness and Energy Management, your gateway to a greener future. ProQual is an awarding body that is recognized and approved by Ofqual to develop and award qualifications. Inspire College of Technologies is approved training center of ProQual. This one-month course is designed to give you the foundational knowledge and skills to drive meaningful change in your workplace, community, or career. With just one study unit and 10 guided learning hours, this qualification is perfect for environmental professionals seeking to formalize their expertise, business owners and managers aiming to cut energy costs and meet sustainability goals, energy consultants broadening their services with deeper knowledge, students and recent graduates looking to stand out in the job market, and anyone interested in sustainability who wants to make a positive impact. Take the first step toward becoming a leader in sustainability. Enroll today in the ProQual Level 2 Award in Understanding Carbon Awareness and Energy Management, and be the change our world needs. For registration or more information, please visit www.inspirecollege.co.uk or www.ictqual.co.uk. Call us on 442035 764371 or WhatsApp us on 44744139671. Email us at info@ictqual.co.uk.